Good morning everyone. Bharat Group of School and Colleges, Standard 6, Subject Geography, recording on importance of ocean and rock and its types. Let's talk about ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are: first is Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean in the world. Atlantic Ocean, second largest in the world. Then the Indian Ocean, third largest in the world. Southern Ocean, fourth largest in the world. And Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean in the world. Do you know, in future it will be possible to generate electricity with the help of oceanic waves and tides. It is possible to convert the saline ocean water into potable drinking water. This will reduce the scarcity of drinking water to some extent. The drinking water in the city of Dubai in United Arab Emirates is being made available through this method. Mangrove forest. These are mangrove forests in a swampy area of sea coast and in the areas of estuaries. The soil is saline and the climate humid. In such areas, mangrove forest with tiwari and sundari grow well. The wood of mangrove tree is light and oily. It lasts longer. It is used as fuel and also for shipbuilding. The mangrove forest protect coastal areas from huge waves. These forests also protect the biodiversity in the coastal areas. In these forests, there is lot of greenery and they are called the lungs of these places. Do you want to know more? As the region close to the sea have an equable climate, the density of population is high in these areas. The coastal region have always attracted man due to its climate, abundance of food and various products obtained from the sea. We obtain salt, fish, shells and other products from the ocean. Beside these, we get minerals like iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, magnesium, zinc, etc. from the ocean floor. We also get mineral oil and natural gas too. We get precious items like pearls, corals or ornamental items like shell, as also medicinal plants from the seas. Ocean have provided us the most economic option of transportation. Large scale transport of goods is carried out with the help of ships. International trade is carried out on a large scale using waterways. Water transport is conducted on a much higher scale as compared to the other modes of transport. Hence, for transport of bulky material like coal, crude oil, raw materials, metallic minerals, food grains, etc., water transport is given preferences. As we know, a larger proportion of the surface of the earth is occupied by water. Most of the water is salty. The living world in this salty water is suffering from the pollution caused by man. We must avoid this. All about 70.8% of the surface of the earth is occupied by water. In order to fulfill his requirements, man undertakes many activities. These lead to the production of huge amount of different types of waste. These waste materials cause pollution. Pollution of oceanic water is a major and a serious issue that has developed in recent times. Some of the types are oil spills, releasing the waste produced in the coastal cities into the seas, material thrown out from the ships, fishing, cutting of mangrove forest in coastal areas, disasters caused by the water mines, sewage released by industries and cities. All the things listed above lead to large scale pollution of oceanic water. Some coastal regions are proving to be death traps for aquatic animals. As a result, many aquatic animals are under the threat of being extinct. Example, the blue whale, some types of sea turtles, dolphins, etc. Let's go through rock and its types. Near Jaipur city in Rajasthan, red sandstone is found. This is a type of sedimentary rock. This rock was used for the construction of the Red Fort at Delhi. As sandstone is relatively soft, it is easy to crave in it. Hill forts in Maharashtra have lakes or elephant yards. These are old quarry sites. Rock was extracted from these sites and used for the construction of the fort and other buildings. In the pits and dugouts left behind after rock extraction, water was allowed to accumulate and these lake tanks, etc., were created. There are three types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. Let's learn about each rock. In igneous rock, the molten magma comes upward or even erupts from a volcano in the form of lava. When the lava cools, it leads to the formation of igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks formed after weathering, erosion, deposition, and compaction of rock. They are brittle, lightweight. The pressure from the surface of rock like igneous and sedimentary rock and the heat changes into metamorphic rock. Inside the earth, the nature of some igneous and sedimentary rock changes due to of tremendous heat or pressure and transform into new rocks, that is metamorphic rock. For example, metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks like granite. And igneous rock, when in under pressure, heat changes to gneiss metamorphic rock. Different kinds of metamorphic rocks are slate, gneiss, marble, quartzite. When shell, a sedimentary rock, goes under heat and pressure, forms into slate, a metamorphic rock. It is usually dark in color. It is used in making slates, tiles, blackboards, etc. Limestone, a sedimentary rock, goes under heat and pressure and forms into marble, a metamorphic rock. Polished marble glims, so it is used to make statues, buildings, and ornaments. When the igneous rock granite undergoes many changes, it forms gneiss. Sandstone, a sedimentary rock, goes under heat and pressure and forms into quartzite, a metamorphic rock. These rocks are used in building stone and also making statues. Here are certain rocks which change to metamorphic rock. Granite, an igneous rock, changed to gneiss. Limestone, a sedimentary rock, changed to marble. Sandstone, a sedimentary rock, changed to quartzite. Shell, a sedimentary rock, changed to slate.